Hello children, today I am going to make video of class 8 maths chapter 2 exponents and power. When we are writing in the form of a to the power b, then a is base and b is called exponent or power. Now to solve sums of this chapter, we have to follow some rules of exponents. I have written all the rules. Now let us explain each and every rules with some number. Now here you see first question I have written a to the power minus m. Now a is base, power is minus m. Power is m and then it is negative power, so we have to make it positive. Then we can write reciprocal of the number, reciprocal of a to the power minus m, so 1 by a to the power m. Therefore we can say in the first law of exponent, when a to the power minus m, that equals to 1 by a to the power plus m, where m is positive integer and a is any non-zero rational number. Second law of exponent, a to the power minus m is also called multiplicative inverse of a to the power m. Now here third law, a to the power m into a to the power n. A, base and m and n are two power. Now base is same and power is different. In that case, in case of multiplication, when base is same, power is different, that equals to a to the power m plus n, means power will be added. Now a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. In that case, base is same, power is different, but it is divided. When divide, then the power will be subtracted. So we can write a to the power m minus n. Now next law is a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m n, means power will be multiplied. So in that case we have to multiply powers. Now base is a and b whole to the power m, so separately we can write a to the power m and b to the power m. Next, a by b whole to the power m is equals to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Now last law of exponent is a to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is equals to 1. Now let us take some number to explain this law of exponent. A equals to 2, m equals to 3. So minus 3, I can write 2 to the power minus 3. Now 2 to the power minus 3 means it is in the form of a to the power minus m. So to make it positive, we have to make it reciprocal. Then 2 to the power 3. Then power will be positive. There it was negative, now the power comes in the form of positive, so it will become reciprocal. Next is a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. So we can write a to the power a means 3 into a equals to again 2. If I take 4, 5 I have taken. So base is same and multiplied, so it will be added, so it will become 8. 3 plus 5, then it will become 8. Now next form, a to the power means a is 2, m is 3 divided by 2 to the power 5. If I write, then base is same, power is different, so in that case we have to subtract. Then 3 minus 5 is equals to 2 to the power minus 2 is equals to 1 by 2 to the power 2. So this part I have explained how to solve. Now next form, a to the power delete করে দেন, ঠিক আছে? Now a to the power m whole to the power n. Suppose a equals to 2, m equals to 3, n equals to 4. Then we have to multiply the power. 2 to the power 12 we can write. So it comes in the form of a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power mn. So next, a b whole to the power m. So I can write a equals to 2, b equals to 3 whole to the power 4. M equals to suppose 4. Then separately base is different, so power we can separately write 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. Next part, again 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 in the divide form. So 2 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4. Now a to the power 0 equals to 1 I have written. So anything to the power 0 equals to 1. So you can take 100. 100 to the power 0 means is equal to 1. So children, here all the laws of exponent, and according to the rule I have taken some value and I have shown you how to use these laws of exponent. Discuss this sum. What is the sum? Simplify and write in exponential form. Now we have to simplify the given question. Now 9 by 4. 9 by 4 whole to the power minus 1. Now we can make it, 9 means 3 square and 4 also 2 square. So it comes 3 by 2 form. 3 by 2 whole square again into minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 by 3 whole to the power 2. If we make it divide this, if we make it multiply, at first I am making it divide only, then this part if I write negative value is there, so if we make it positive then it will become reciprocal. Now it will become 1 divided by 3 by 2 whole to the power 2. Now it becomes positive. Now children, here you see what you have to do. 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 2 into 2 by 3 whole to the power 2. Then it is reciprocal, so it will come up, 2 will come up and 3 will go down, whole to the power 2. Whole to the power 2. Now here you see 3 by 2, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, but here 3 by 2 and value is minus. So if I make it positive then it will become 3 by 2 whole to the power 2 positive into 2 by 3 whole to the power 2 divide 2 by 3 whole to the power 2. Now I am solving this part here again. Now this part I am solving here. Now it is reciprocal, so 2 will go up, 2 by 3 whole to the power 2 into 2 by 3 whole to the power 2 divide, means if I make it multiply again it will become reciprocal, then it will become 3 by 2 whole to the power 2. It will become reciprocal. Now here 2 square, then 2 power, here 4 power is 4 and their power is 2 square. So this 2 square, now separately you write. You can write like this way. 2 square, 3 square, 3 square, 2 square. Now 2 square, 2 square cancel. 3 square, 3 square cancel. So what you are getting? 2 square divided by 3 square means 4 by 9. So Children, here you see what laws of exponent you have used. Now here at first you see power is minus, so what properties we have used? Laws of exponent, what? A to the power minus m we have used here, 1 by a to the power m, to make it positive. Next again minus, so again that property, laws of exponent used. Now in this part no more other laws of exponent used. Next we have used again this part, a by b whole to the power m is equals to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. So this two law of exponent used to solve this question, and here it is given simplify and write the exponential form. So after simplifying we are getting this one, but actually exponential form, when it is asking, you have to write 2 square by 3 square, that is actual exponential form. Now next question, if 2 to the power minus n into 8 to the power 2n plus 1 into 16 to the power 2n divided by 4 to the power 3n is equals to 1 by 16, find the value of n. Now children, how to start? 2 to the power minus n. Now 8 we can make as the base 2, means 2 to the power 3 means 8. So I shall write 2 to the power 3 into, within the bracket, 2n plus 1. Now 16 also we can write in the form of base 2. So 2 to the power 4 equals to 16 into 2 to the power n. Now left hand side part, and that part is right hand side. So left hand side part I am solving at first. Now 4 we can make 2 square. 2 square into 3n is equals to, again we can write 1 by 16 means 2 to the power 4. Now all the part is coming base as base 2. Now 2 to the power minus n, 2 to the power minus n into 2 to the power multiplying 6n plus 3 into 2 to the power 8n divided by 2 to the power 6n is equals to 2 to the power minus 4. We can write reciprocal, then when denominator comes numerator and numerator goes to denominator, then power will be, if positive then negative, if negative then positive. Next, it is base is same, power is different, multiply sign. So what we can do? We can add all the power. 2 to the power minus n plus 6n plus 3 plus 8n, and this is in the down, means divide. So we can subtract this part. 6n is equal to 2 to the power minus 4. Now this part I am solving here. Now this 2 value is negative, so minus 7 added, this negative value added, and sign will be minus 7, and these all values are positive. Then here this power is also without n. So here you see 2 to the power minus 7n and plus 14n into 2 to the power 3 is equals to 2 to the power minus 4 is equals to 2 to the power 7n, 2 to the power 7n, and this is 2 to the power 7n into 2 to the power 3 is equals to 2 to the power minus 4. So n value I shall keep this side, 2 to the power 2n, and that value I shall take it right side, so it will be, it is multiply, so it will be divide. So when that side, opposite side it will go, then divide 2 to the power 3, then 2 to the power 2n is equal to 2 to the power minus 4, and divide sign, so minus 3. So that will be minus 3. then 2 to the power 2 7n is equals to 2 to the power minus 7. Therefore what you got? 2 base 2 base. So you can write 7n is equals to 7. 7 is equals to minus 7. Therefore n equals to minus 1. So we are getting the value of n is minus 1. Now children, once again I am explaining this sum. All of you see very carefully what I have done at first. 2 to the power minus n into base is 8. We have to make it as 2. Then 8 we can write 2 to the power 3. So 3 will multiply the power of 8 into 2 to the power 16 here. 2 to the power 4 into 2n. Then 4 we can make it 2 square into 3n. Now 2 to the power minus n into multiply, this power will be multiplied, so 6n plus 3 into 2 to the power 8n divided by 2 to the power 6n. Now all the n value minus n, 6n plus 3 and 8n, all the power which are base is same and multiplied, then we have added, and this is in the down, so subtracted, and that form also, right hand side form also we can make in the form of 2 to the power minus 4. Now all the n value, this is minus, so minus 7 and 14, so plus 14, so 7n into, I have separated and I have given it into side, why into, because of plus 3, this is plus 3, so I have make it like that way, into 2 to the power 3. Now into 2 to the power 3 is equals to 2 to the power minus 4. Now 7n, because we have to get the value of n, so I am keeping the n value left side, and rest all value we have to take it in the other side. So 2 to the power minus 4 divided by, it is multiplied, so when changing the side it will be divided, so divided by 2 to the power 4. Now this is divide, so 2 to the power minus 4 minus 3, so it comes 2 to the power minus 7, and that side 2 to the power 7n. So 2 to the power 7n equals to 2 to the power minus 7. Therefore 2 base is same, so we can compare with the power. So 7n equals to minus 7. Therefore n equals to minus 1. Thank you children.